Okay, question 8 for the advanced textbook and 7 for the extension textbook has just more complicated looking absolute value equations to solve. So I've asked you to do every second, so I'm going to do every second, but hopefully the different every second. So this one's saying the absolute value of 2x plus 1 equals 3, which means positive 2x plus 1 is going to equal 3, or negative 2x plus 1 equals 3. So this means 2x plus 1 equals 3, 2x equals 2, x equals 1, fairly simple. This one means negative 2x, take 1 equals 3, negative 2x equals 4, x equals negative 2. Fairly simple. Don't have to graph it for this one, luckily. Okay, question D. They've said the absolute value of 7x, take 3, equals negative 11. Now this can work. There could be a positive, hang on, does it work? Can the absolute value of anything, hang on, I want to make this blue, I don't know why, but I do. Can the absolute value of anything come out as a negative? Nope. So the absolute cannot equal negative. Absolutely not. I think that's so funny, I'm going to write it. Absolute not. Okay, and if you ever get to an exam and they ask you to solve an absolute value where the absolute thing came out as negative, I hope you write absolutely not. I think I would give you an automatic A. No, I can't actually do that, but you know, it'd be close. This one, 5x plus 2 equals 0. I can do that. So positive 5x plus 2 equals 0, or negative 5x plus 2 equals 0. So 5x plus 2 equals 0, 5x equals negative 2, x equals negative 2 fifths, or negative 5x take 2 equals 0. We're going to get the same answer. Negative 5x equals positive 2, and you'll always get the same answer when it comes out as 0. X equals negative 2 fifths. What? It's the same answer. And that's because it equaled 0, by the way. Every time it equals 0, it's only going to be one answer. And then we've got the absolute value of 7 take 6x equals 5. So that could be positive 7 take 6x equals 5, or negative 7 take 6x equals 5. Which means 7 take 6x equals 5, negative 6x equals, well, I'm subtracting 7, so negative 2, x equals negative 2 over negative 6, which is positive a third, or negative 7. You're probably wondering why I don't just get rid of the negative first instead of expanding it. I'll go through that. Negative 7 plus 6x equals 5. I'm going to plus 7 to both sides, so I get 6x equals 12, which means x equals 2. Now, another way of doing that same question, and it's probably a much simpler way, but people tend to forget it, is if you've got the absolute value of 7 take 6x equals 5, then you could say 7 take 6x equals positive 5, or 7 take 6x equals negative 5. This is just another way of doing the exact same thing. So on the left-hand side, we'd get negative 6x equals negative 2, x equals negative 2 over negative 6, which is just a third. And the other side, we'd get negative 6x equals negative 12, which means x equals positive 2. It doesn't matter which method you use, as long as you use the same one every time so that you remember it. Okay? Doesn't matter. And that's question 7/8.